yesterday my registration was due for my car. Custom plate, baby. Bam! G80 power. G80 power.
I just went by the watch with a whole lot of diamonds and shot these niggas, it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the beef, make a play and get high fast outside. I say all big company, niggas so fly when I ball out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudies,
Here we go though. Might as well do a little walk around of the car. It's the last month or so of having that plate. We definitely need a lot more carbon fiber. But I really love how this car is coming together, dude. Damn. What is this? Oh, some Sony paperwork got stuck in the ducts, bro. What is this? This isn't even mine. Some random Sony television. There you go.
Good morning, welcome to Black Rock. What can I grab for you?
Good morning. Can I do a frozen kickstart? Which one is it? The Blue Lagoon?
Yeah, the Blue Lagoon.
Yeah.
And there was a lot.
One more. Can I do a medium cold brew with oat milk?
A medium cold brew with oat milk.
And then can I add peppermint sauce and vanilla cold foam? Hello.
Alright, do you have a number with us?
Yes. Thank you. Alright, if you made it this far, I just want to say truly thank you for watching this. I'm so excited to be able to start doing these POVs and making content like I really want to. So if you like this, drop a follow and there will definitely be way more uploads coming every day, bro. Thank you guys.